In this video, you will be going over what is subtraction. So if ever you've seen any of these words before, like difference, take away, deduct, less, fewer than, or decrease, usually we're asking you to subtract two numbers. So let's take a look at that. Let's say I have 3 puppies, and unfortunately, one of them decides to run away. Now, we might be able to count the leftover puppies, so we would have 1 puppy left and a second puppy here, but we could also write this out as an equation. So we started off with 3 puppies minus 1 puppy, because the puppy escaped, and we will be left with 2 puppies. We can also do subtraction on a number line like this. So let's try to answer this question together. How many more dogs are there than cats? So let's start off by labeling our number lines. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's start counting the number of dogs. So there's 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs, and 4 dogs. Now we want to find the difference or subtract the number of dogs from cats. Now we can see that there are 2 cats in the picture on the right, so we need to go back 2. So we'll go from 4 to 3, and we'll go from 3 to 2. So we end up here. So therefore, in the pictures below, there are 2 more dogs than cats.